How to learn English by yourself. 5 steps that actually work. Powerful introduction. Hook. Emotion plus reality. Many people study English for years. They know grammar, they know vocabulary, but still they can't speak confidently. Why? Because English is a skill, not a school subject. Today, I'll show you 5 steps you can follow alone, at home, without a teacher, steps that actually work, even if you are busy, shy, or weak in English. Stay till the end. Step 5 changes everything. Step 1. Stop studying English. Start using English. Mistake most learners make: memorizing grammar rules, translating every sentence, waiting to be perfect. Truth. You learned your mother language without grammar books. What to do instead? Think in simple English. Speak broken English. It's okay. Use English daily, not weekly. Daily practice, 15 minutes. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am opening my phone. Fluency comes from use, not rules. Learn English like a child. Input method. Children don't memorize grammar. They listen first, speak later. Your job: listen more than you speak. Best input sources: YouTube, simple English channels, English movies with subtitles first, English podcasts for beginners. How to listen correctly. Don't translate. Don't stop every sentence. Just understand the idea. 20-minute routine. 10-minute listening. 5-minute repeating lines. 5-minute shadow speaking. Speak with audio. Listening builds natural accent and confidence. Step 3. Speak every day, even alone. If you don't speak, nothing changes. No partner? No problem. Speaking methods: mirror speaking, talk about your day, voice recording, record, listen, improve. Question-answer practice. Ask yourself questions. Example: what did I do today? What will I do tomorrow? Rule: speak daily, not perfectly. Confidence grows through repetition. Step 4. Learn smart vocabulary, not dictionary words. X. Don't memorize 10,000 words. Check. Learn useful daily phrases. Learn chunks, not single words. X. Angry. Check. I'm really angry about this. High-impact areas: daily life phrases, work and communication, emotions and opinions. Smart method: learn 5 phrases per day. Use them in sentences. Speak them out loud. Vocabulary becomes powerful only when used. Step 5. Build an English lifestyle. This is the game changer. Change your environment. Phone language: English. Social media: English content. Think: English. React: English. Daily English routine: 1 hour. 20 minutes listening, 20 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes writing. No pressure, just consistency. English becomes automatic, not forced. Common mistakes to avoid: waiting to be perfect, fear of mistakes, studying too many books, giving up too early. Remember, mistakes mean progress, silence means failure. Motivation and final message: you don't need talent, you don't need money, you don't need a teacher. You need consistency, courage, daily action. If you practice 30 to 60 minutes daily, your English will change in 90 days. Start today. Start now. Because your future speaks English. Many people want to learn English, but very few truly commit to it. Why? Because learning English is not easy. It takes time. It takes patience. And most importantly, it takes courage. But let me tell you something important. English is not just a language. English is a key that opens doors to better education, a key that opens doors to better jobs, a key that opens doors to the world. When you speak English, your confidence changes, the way you walk changes, the way people look at you changes. Suddenly, you are not afraid to speak. You are not afraid to express your ideas. You are not afraid to dream bigger. Many people say, "My English is weak. I am afraid of mistakes. People will laugh at me." But listen carefully. Every fluent English speaker you see today was once a beginner. They made mistakes, they spoke wrong sentences, they felt embarrassed. The only difference is this: they did not stop. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. If you stay silent, you stay the same. But when you speak, even broken English, you move forward. Do not wait to be perfect. Perfect never comes. Start with simple words. Start with small sentences. Start today. Speak to yourself. Talk in front of a mirror. Describe your day in English. Even 5 minutes a day can change your life if you do it consistently. Remember this: you did not learn your mother language in one day. You learned it by listening, you learned it by repeating, you learned it by making mistakes. English is no different. You don't need a big vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You need practice. When you practice every day, English slowly becomes natural. It becomes part of your thinking. It becomes part of your life. Learning English is an investment in yourself. No one can steal it from you. No one can take it away. Money can be lost. Jobs can be lost. But knowledge stays with you forever. One day, you will look back and say, "I'm glad I didn't give up." And that day, English will not scare you anymore. That day, English will empower you. So start now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today. Because the world is listening, and your voice deserves to be heard.